document it and constantly looking at it, because it's also going to be a confidence booster for you. I'm not going to lie to you, family. When you get in this thing that I love, that I hope you fall in love with, called project management, sometimes people are not prepared to really walk through this thing. Okay, what are you saying? It sounds like you're giving me something like an African proverb or something. No, what I'm saying to you, family, is that you have to develop the mindset and the courage, because there's going to be many times that you're going to have to stand up to a stakeholder. If you watched any of my previous videos talking about conflict, and be able to articulate, because you know what you're doing, and it's because of the experience and the continuous learning that you've went through. So just having that courage and that ability, and not looking at yourself as an imposter. You're not an imposter. You've made it this far. So believe in yourself and trust in yourself. All right, point number 7, risk management is part of the job. Listen, you want to, here's an actionable step.